Search engine optimization, SEO, is a complicated process that requires a lot of time, resources, and effort. But it doesn't have to be this way. We created an SEO keyword planner that helps you create organic traffic-driving content without spending hours trying to figure out what your target audience is looking for. Do you want to rank higher in search engine results pages? Our SEO keyword planner identifies the most relevant keywords and provides detailed data on each keyword, including the monthly search volume, competition, and more.